Hello, in this video we will discuss one question from this year's prelims paper. This is a part of a 100 video series which will cover the entire paper. Please like, share and subscribe and visit our website themcqbank.com. So let's get started. With reference to India's Desert National Park, which of the following statements are correct? It is spread over 2 districts. There is no human habitation inside the park. It is one of the natural habitats of the Great Indian Bustard. And the answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Statement 1 is correct as the Desert National Park is spread over 2 districts of Rajasthan, Jaisalmer and Badmer. Statement 2 is incorrect as there are villages and dhanis within the national park area. Statement 3 is correct as the Desert National Park is one of the natural habitats of the Great Indian Bustard. Let's talk in detail about the Desert National Park. It covers an area of 3,162 square kilometers, of which 1,900 square kilometers is in Jaisalmer and remaining 1,262 square kilometers is in Badmer. It was declared as a national park in 1981. In 2009, the Rajasthan Forest Department submitted its name to be included in the Natural World Heritage List of UNESCO. The area falls in the extreme hot and arid region of the very low rainfall zone of the country. The landscape mostly consists of sand dunes, interdunes, sandy plains, and a mix of perennial grass, shrubs, and trees. The most common are the crescent-shaped dunes, barchangs, created by the action of wind. The vegetation here is thorn forest type. Rajasthan's state flower Rohida and state tree Khejdi are commonly found here. Khejdi is revered and protected by the local communities, especially the Bishnois. One of the main purposes of establishment of the Desert National Park was to protect the Great Indian Bustard and 2 species of Jaip vulture. The Great Indian Bustard, locally known as Godawan, is Rajasthan's state bird. Godawan and the state animal Chinkara are found here naturally. The human population within the Desert National Park is low, that is 4 to 5 persons per square kilometer. There are about 88 villages and settlements or dhanis existing within the park. These communities have inhabited this area for hundreds of years, and with their rich culture and tradition, they are an integral part of this ecosystem. The most important feature of this national park is the status of the land, which is mostly under the category of Padhat, cultivable wasteland, whereas the land status in other national parks is under the category of protected or reserve forest. There is also a wood fossil park located at Akal. It is 17 kilometers from Jaisalmer and falls under the jurisdiction of the Desert National Park. It has significant fossil evidence dating back to the Jurassic period, that is 180 million years ago. What are these wood fossils? When a tree is quickly buried under sediments and is thus protected from decay, then the groundwater rich in dissolved solids flows through the plant cells, replacing the original plant cell material with silica, calcite, pyrite or other inorganic materials. This process is called petrification and the result is a fossil of original woody material. Here is an example of furniture made through artificial petrification of wood. These fossils are of large trees, which were the dominant plant species of that time. The presence of large trees indicates that this desert earlier had a different hot and humid climate which supported a luxuriant forest. So this was the answer. We also discussed other significant aspects of the Desert National Park in detail. Hope you liked the video, and if you found it helpful, please share with others too. Thank you and see you again with another question.